All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and go over the types of triangles that we are learning this week. Now, this is another standard that is heavy in vocabulary, so you will have to remember these different types of triangles, and it also pulls in information from last week before spring break standard. So those acute and obtuse and right angles. So the first way that you can classify triangles are by their sides. So if you look up at this top row, these are all the different types of triangles based on their sides. So the first type of triangle we have is an isosceles triangle. So this blue right here, isosceles triangle. And that means that it is a triangle that has two sides that are equal. So these lines right here mean that they are equal. So these two sides that have two lines together are equal. You know that because of these lines. Now, when you're looking on assignments, it might have your lengths here, or it might have these lines. So if it said 10 and 10 and 8 down here, you would know it's isosceles because two of the sides are equal. But again, that's what these lines are for. Because both of these sides have two lines through them, that means that those sides are equal. So an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two equal sides. Your second type of triangle is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle means no sides are equal. So you know this because each side has a different number of lines. So this is one length, this is another length, and this is another length. So again, a scalene triangle means no sides are equal. Now, an equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So you see each side has one line through it. So all of them are equal. An equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. You may also see the word congruent. All sides are congruent. Remember, congruent just means equal. So your three types of triangles that you classify by sides are isosceles, that has two equal sides, scalene, that has no equal sides, and equilateral has all equal sides. Your second way to classify triangles is by their angles. So remember last week you learned angles. So an acute angle means it's less than 90 degrees. A right angle means it's 90 degrees exactly, and an obtuse angle means it's more than 90 but less than 180. So if you look at your first triangle, it's an obtuse triangle. So an obtuse triangle has in it one obtuse angle. So you see these are acute angles, but you do have that obtuse angle that's 100 degrees. So you have one obtuse angle in this triangle. So it's an obtuse triangle. The second type of triangle based on angles is an acute triangle. All the angles in this triangle are going to be acute. So you see your three angles are all under 90 degrees because remember, acute means under 90. So 30, 80, and 70 are all under 90. So all these angles are acute. So this is an acute triangle. And our last type of triangle based on angles is a right triangle. In a right triangle, you will have one right angle. So you see right here, a right angle is 90 degrees. So here is your right angle. So therefore, that makes this a right triangle. So the top three are your triangles based on sides, and your bottom three are your triangles based on angles. I will share this anchor chart with you so you can go back to reference it on anything you need to learn them. Just remember that you can't use it when you're taking a test. But again, I will share this anchor chart.